Oh my goodness, how will I be able to apologize for you to forgive me? In fact, I'm deeply sorry for being away for 2 weeks. Oh my goodness, without even saying anything. I should have told you I'm going to be absent for 2 weeks, but it's unfortunate it happened the way it happened. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me, okay? Now, to be honest, I went home to visit family. I went to see my mom and dad and also to see the extended family. It's been a while. So I had to do that in 2 weeks, and finally I'm back. So we thank God for the life we have, and we are grateful to God for making the provisions and bringing us back safely. But let me say thank you to all those who checked up on me. People sent messages asking if I was okay, if everything was all right. And that has actually how do I put it? That has actually given me a deeper understanding of how you people here see me. You don't just see me as someone who come to make videos for you to watch, but you see me as family. You see me as a friend. You see me as a brother. And so from time to time, you check up to find out if everything is all right. And I appreciate that. God richly bless you. And I'm committed to giving out the best in terms of Forex. And as I have said, I'll do everything I have to do. In fact, the knowledge that I have, I'll make sure I share everything for you to be able to understand the Forex market. I'm committed to that. And that is my goal. That's my mission. That is my dream. And that's what we'll keep doing on this YouTube channel. So welcome, welcome, welcome. I miss all of you. And I'm sure you also missed me. So we are back again. And we are going to look at something very brief. Before I left for the 2 weeks absence, I mean, I did a video. I think that was part 59 or so video asking about what has really been your challenge. If you remember, that video is titled Forex Challenge. So I asked all of you to come on the channel and leave your comments to tell me what is holding you back, why you've not been able to trade the Forex market the way you should, or what has accounted for your losses. What is the reason you are making the losses? And people give honest reply. People give honest comments. I want us to go through those comments, and then getting to the end of this video, I'll begin to answer some of those comments by showing you some things you will need to know. Is that okay? I'm sure maybe you didn't ask a question, but that doesn't mean that what I am going to share doesn't concern you. Some people ask questions that I think are questions that will apply to all of us, and we all need to know the answers. So I may not be able to answer all the questions, but a few will be answered in this video. And then another time, I'll look at how to answer the rest. I just don't want this video to be long. That is why I'm answering the questions in part. Is that okay? Good. So let's go straight carefully to look at the honest messages you left on the channel against that video. The Forex Challenge. If you haven't watched that video, maybe you can go and watch it. And then maybe if you have a challenge in the Forex market, whatever is holding you back, you can leave a comment there, and then we will add your comment to these comments in terms of answering the questions. Is that okay? So let's go straight up to the questions. And please take your time. Don't be in haste. Just take your time and follow us, okay? Follow us. Now, we are doing free Forex training here. You already know that. So let me go quickly to, yes. So let's begin from the answers or the questions or whatsoever was your messages, okay? Now, I have this reply or comment from Selwania. I don't know if pardon me if I don't pronounce your name well, but I think it will be good to accord you that respect and pronounce your names well, but because of, you know, so you understand. Thank you. So Selwani is saying that, hi, Kofi, thanks for this opportunity. My challenge is how to manage risk. Example, I will hear people talking about ensuring that you don't lose 2 to 3% of your trade. How to calculate this? Please clarify this. Thank you. Now, a few other people left messages below this very message. So let's look at the other people that left messages too under this comment. Okorie Paul, I think Paul will be good. Paul also said that, good evening, Mr. Kofi. Thank you so much for this opportunity. My challenge is that I find it difficult to use almost all the parameters in TradingView. Okay, he's talking about TradingView. Good. I don't know if it is because I don't subscribe to it. If you can help me out on this area. Okay, Paul, we'll look at that. The same Paul says, and also how I can count the number of pips I want to trade with using the TradingView parameters to check it before I can place the trade on demo. So these are interesting comments that subscribers or my colleagues here are saying or giving out. So we'll look at them. Okay, let's look at the rest of the comments. We have this one from Dion TV saying, please, I'm one of them, please. But I think he didn't specify, but I think he has a challenge. That is what he wants to say. So he's one of the people that have challenges. So we'll look at those challenges and we'll see how it is. Okay. Okay, then it continues. Makem is saying that, hello, Mr. Kofi. Thank you very much for the help you are dashing out for free for us through your videos and then Telegram. What is stopping me from starting is that my capital is too small and the fear of burning it if I don't have the right strategy is getting me still stuck. I am writing from Cameroon. I don't have a bank account, but I could use MTN mobile money. So, I think I skipped some of his messages. I could have clicked here to read more, but I think his message is clear. The last time I read the total message, he was saying he wished he could subscribe to my VIP channel, but he has no much funds. I think that was the end of the message. My dear people in Cameroon, I salute all of you in Cameroon. God bless you for watching from Cameroon. So we'll look at that. We'll answer that. Nana Efia, I'm sure a Ghanaian, because Efia is a Friday born and Kofi is also a Friday born. So when you hear me say I'm Kofi, Kofi means a Friday born in Ghana. So if you are born on Friday, you are called Kofi. So I'm Kofi and she is Efia here. So Nana Efia, who is also a Friday born but a female. So if you are a Friday born a female, you'll be called Efia. If you are a Friday born a male, you'll be called Kofi. So that is how come I'm Kofi. Okay. Now, Nana Efia, which is my name because we all born on Friday, is saying that, please, I have a problem with the risk management, sir. I have already lost all my capital and I don't want to lose again. Wow. Efia, we'll look at this, okay? We'll look at this. Now, let's continue. Ayodeji, I think, is also saying, same to me. I lost all my capital. I think he was replying to this message by Efia. Same to me. I lost all my capital. It was like a nightmare. He needs to tell us how we can trade without losing at all or losing small. Look, not losing at all. Anyway, it's possible, but the chances are that you may make some few losses. That is part of the game, okay? Making few losses here and there is part of the game. But the whole concept must be that you should make profit. Despite your losses, you should be in profit. Anyway, that is what Ayodeji is also saying. Let's continue. Pascal, I think Pascal is from Nigeria, and I love all my Nigeria friends. God bless you guys. I appreciate your love and care, support. Charlie, you guys, you do all. We've been having that back and forth communication. I mean, my dear friends in Nigeria, and it's so far so good. I love my dear friends Nigerians because of the way they get in touch with me and stuff. That's good. Now, Pascal, I'm sure you are from Nigeria, and he's saying, good day, coach. So my major challenge is that my real account that I registered through your link is always on the negative end. Trades I place don't come out complete. I would like to put my, okay, like I will put my stop loss and take profit as 100 pips and 1:1. But if I win that trade, my pip value won't come out complete. And it's really disturbing me because I learned very well from your teaching. I have founded my account again with $100. But last week, I lost a trade from your forecast and I won one from your forecast. I just want to learn how to calculate risk percentages on my capital and how much I will be getting from PIP, because I have really mastered risk management on demo account. I am doing well, but on the real account, I fumble a lot. Like how? Okay, like now, I am even scared to place a trade due to fear. I would message you on WhatsApp, coach. I told you, my Nigerian friends, we always chat on WhatsApp and Telegram. So, but in all of this, I have learned a lot from your teachings. I give people signals from what you have been teaching us, and it works very well. It works well 70%, but I still don't know why I find it difficult to raise my $100 account to 200 in 2 weeks. This is serious. Out of the teachings, he's been able to provide people signals and they are making wins, but he himself is making losses, and it's weird, right? But I think I will answer your question today. Pascal, just take it easy. This question will be answered in this video at the end, okay? So let's continue. I have Petrus. I'm tempted to skip this name because I don't know if I'll pronounce it well. Line Vala. I don't know if I'm right. Petrus says, I want to sign a real account. Okay, if you want to sign a real account, maybe just go to the description of any of my videos. You'll see broker link. Click on that, and then you can sign up with a live account. Is that okay? Or if you want to chat me personally, you can do that and I'll help you through, okay? Now, the same person says, I don't know how to calculate pips, position size. How will I know where to take profit? Okay, these are many questions. How to calculate pips is already a video I have done on this channel. So if you go to my tutorial videos, you will see it, how to calculate take profit and stop loss. That video is there. It's one of my most watched videos, okay? It has almost about 50K views. It's one of my most watched videos. So you can go watch it, and I'm sure how to do the calculation of pips, and then the take profits and stop loss, you'll be good. But the lot size is a different issue, okay? But if you take time to watch my videos, I'm sure this issue of lot sizes will also be answered, because I've talked about that in some of my videos, okay? Now, let's continue. Aka is saying that, okay. Hello, Kofi. I have several issues. Oh, my goodness. First and foremost, thank you for all your videos, tutorials, and signals. I have become a more confident trader. But one of my issues is that once I see the pips fluctuate, I get nervous and jump out of the trade, losing lot of pips. Secondly, the tool that I use to determine the currency strength does not give me the same results as yours. Please tell me where you get your strength indicator. Third, reading the chart has been better, but I still need more practice. Overall, as I said, I have gained a lot of confidence and I have profits, which indicate that I am going in the right direction. I am still on the demo. I started the demo account with $300 to give me a realistic feel. I have almost doubled the account. Wow, that's good. My plan is to go live in September. I have been doing demo for 4 months now. What is your advice? Bravo. I love it. The way you have taken time to do demo trading alone is what I'm applauding you for. That shows discipline. You've done well. Bravo. But I'll look at the other questions you asked, and then we'll look at the answers to them. Okay. How to become a confident trader. And also the strength, currency strength indicator. I think I left a link of that tool in one of my videos. I'll check it and answer you. Okay. Now, Tilahan, I don't know, sorry if I don't pronounce it well. That's the name. Beloved brother Kofi, I have watched each and every video you have uploaded for beginners. Thank you for your solid work for our nation. And brother, I need you to do some video regarding funding program organizations. That is true. It's actually one of the videos I will be doing in a few days, because these funding institutions, they are called pro-firms. They are actually giving a lot of traders the opportunities. And I'm thinking I should do a video on that so that you can also take the advantage. Okay. I am actually with a few of them, some of the pro-firms. I have passed their demo challenges, and I'm trading live on some of them. So they gave me their accounts, which I'm trading, and then we share the profits. We share a lot of opportunities are there with the pro-firms. It's just a matter of knowing which ones are the right ones and how you can be able to know their parameters in terms of their rules and actually sticking to their rules. So I'll be doing a video on that. I think it's one of the good questions you've asked. I'll do that. Now, he asks another question again, says, dear Kofi, thank you for your effort and valuable time given us. I'm completely a beginner, and that is where I have begun this is where I have begun my journey from, by watching your videos. I think I am on the right place. I am lucky because I have a lot of friends, those who started trading Forex for more than 3 years, but still now they don't have a knowledge what I have now. And dear brother, if it is possible, could you do a video regarding TradingView platform? Thank you. God bless you more. I think I'm getting 2 questions here about TradingView. So we'll be looking at that too in the answers. I don't know if we can do that in this video, but let's look at the ones we can answer today. The next set of questions says, hello, Kofi, issue MT4 mobile. So this has to do with the MT4 on the mobile phone. How to set up multiple take profit targets when trading on my phone using MT4. Okay, this is a good one. I actually completely skipped the mobile version of trading Forex because I am thinking of doing a playlist on that by itself, or doing a complete playlist on its own. That is why I haven't talked about it yet. But it's a good question. I will be answering that. I'll be dealing with it. So let's see how it goes. Okay. And Ayodeji again here says, please, I need a step-by-step video on how to trade without losing or losing small, because I have registered live account and I lose everything, or you lost everything. Okay. We'll see how to go answer this. Joel is saying that, please, I just started watching your videos 2 weeks ago. Oh, sorry, 2 days ago. Or what? He says 2 ago, but I don't know if it's 2 days ago or 2 weeks ago. And I'm so glad to come across them. Also, I am just fresh beginner, and my challenge is how to calculate those stop loss, take profit, risk to reward thing, and also how to set them. I think I have a video on that. Yes, I have a video on that. Let's see. I'll be answering the ones I can answer today, and then we'll see those I can answer in another video. Now, these are the questions that we have. Okay, these are the questions that we have. Now, I have grouped your questions into some categories. The very first category we have to do with risk management, calculating how much you are losing, how much you are making as profits, calculating take profit and stop loss and the rest. Okay, I have done a video on those things already, but I'm going to add a tool. I'm going to show you a tool that can help you do your calculations well. Okay, especially answering my brother here, the question coming from Pascal. Yes, Pascal's question. I'll look at it, and it's based on Pascal's question that I'll be putting this thing out. You need to know, if you are entering a trade, how much would you be losing in terms of pips? and all other stuff. So I'll show you a tool today. That's going to be one category or one group. The second group has to do with some platforms, okay, which has to do with TradingView and then the MT4 mobile version. So I'll be looking at that also. Those other platforms, I'll look at them and then I'll answer those questions. And then also the next group that I have, or I think is happening or people want to know, has to do with the funded programs. They are called prop firms. And I think it's also another one, which I'll be dealing with that also. And then the other people want to know how they can trade the market without losing, or even if they have to lose, how they can lose a little. So that is also another group of questions. So we'll be looking at some trading strategies. So that will answer the questions trading strategies. So I'll be taking you through some trading strategies. Those trading strategies will help you to set up your trades and make some profit. Already I have talked about a few, which I've asked people to experiment. And out of that, Pascal is saying he's able to give people signals and they are making profit out of it. But the challenge is that he himself, he's not confident enough to put those same trades by himself. And the ones he rather have confidence to put by himself gives him losses. And he's having a challenge with that. So we'll look at the trading strategies, how you can develop confidence in them. I'll be sharing a few more trading strategies with you. So these are the groupings that I have been able to gather out of your questions. There may be more as we go along, but first of all, let me introduce you to this tool that may be answering some of the questions that you asked here. Is that okay? So let's go straight to the tool. Let me share this with you. Okay, this tool is by a broker called Switch Markets. Switch Markets. They actually have some tools, and those tools are very powerful tools, and I salute them for coming up with some of these tools. They make the work of a trader very easy. And when you check their review on Trustpilot, you can see that they have good reviews in terms of their way of dealing with the Forex market. Although I am not with them yet, I am not an agent, or I am not associated with them. I don't even have a live account with them, I must be honest. But I am saying that they are good because of some of their platforms, okay? They are good because of some of the trading platforms and tools that they have provided to make we, the traders, our work very easier. That is why I am saluting them for that. But the Trustpilot reviews are also good. That should tell you that overall they are doing well in the Forex market. But my concentration is on the platforms and the tools. So when you come to their main dashboard, this is their main dashboard, okay? You come to the menu here, they have get started, they have platforms and tools, and that is where our interest is, the platforms and tools. So when you come to the platform, they have free tools, lot size calculator, economic calendar, currency strength meter, Forex profit calculator, market heat map, pip calculator, Forex swap calculator, Forex margin calculator, free resources, EA tools for traders, those who want to use robots. They are saying they have some of them. CAGR calculator, Forex compound calculator, value at risk calculator, pivot point calculator. Now, these are calculators that I wish I could do series of videos on them, but I am just going to do a review of just one. I'm just going to talk about one of these tools that they have here, and that will be the pip calculator. So today I just want to talk about the pip calculator. So let me click on the pip calculator. This is it. Now, when it comes to the pip calculator, it is to help you know how much you are making on one pip, depending on what lot size you are using. So here, the first thing they are asking you is to choose instrument. Choose the currency pair. The choosing of the instrument has to do with the currency pair that you want to take a trade on. So assuming you want to take a trade on any currency pair, they are asking you, when you click on choose instrument, you see them, the instruments are here. You see them? All the instruments are here. So you first of all choose the instrument. So assuming you want to trade maybe AUD USD. So you can choose AUD. So AUD USD. Okay, it's here. Once you type, it will pop up. So I have selected AUD USD. Now, they are asking you, the next question is that, which currency is your live Forex account? Your live Forex account, which currency is it? Is it in USD? Your deposited amount, is it in USD? I don't know if you understand. So your account, your live account, which currency is your live account registered? Is it in dollars, or is in pounds, or is in euros, or whatsoever? So let's assume it's in dollars. So you choose the dollar. So USD, which is USD here. Now, the question is, you want to trade AUD USD and your account is in dollars. What lot size would you want to use? What is your lot size that you want to use to trade AUD USD? So you type in your lot size here, assuming, I am just saying, for instance, assuming your lot size is 0.03, okay? You type in your lot size, 0.03. So if you are going to trade 0.03 and your account is in dollars and the currency you want to trade is AUD USD, how much will be 1 pip? In case you are making 1 pip profit, how much will that 1 pip be? Or in case you are losing 1 pip, how much will that 1 pip be? Please, you understand. You are using a lot size of 0.03. AUD USD is what you want to trade. In case you make a profit of 1 pip, how much will it be? That's the question. And in case you lose a profit of you lose 1 pip, how much will that 1 pip be? So once we input all this correctly, you calculate. You click on calculate, and now they will give you the pip value. So the pip value is $0.3. $0.3 per 1 pip. So if you lose 1 pip, you are losing $0.3. The same way, if you win 1 pip, you are making $0.3. So if 1 pip is $0.3, 10 pips will be what? 100 pips will be what? I'm sure with this you can easily calculate. If 1 pip is $0.3, then it means 100 pips will be $30. Oh, am I not wrong? Am I wrong? No. So if it is going to be 10 pips, multiply 10 by 0.3 and you get the amount. If you are looking for a stop loss of 50 pips, you just multiply the 50 by $0.3 and you get the pip value. So assuming the trade goes against you 50 pips, 50 times 0.3 here will give you how much you are going to lose. If your take profit is also 50 pips, you just multiply 50 by 0.3, and that will tell you how much you are going to make in profit. Now, assuming it is not AUD USD you want to trade, but you want to trade a different currency. Let's say AUD JPY is what you want to trade. You click on AUD JPY. Then once you click on this, you calculate again. So you see that AUD JPY is less. The pip value, 1 pip value for AUD JPY is 0.22. And this is lesser than AUD USD. Do you get it? So if I trade AUD USD and I make 10 pips profit, I am going to get $3 because 10 times 0.3 will give me $3. And you are trading AUD JPY. So that means that if you make 10 pips profit on AUD JPY, you are going to make $2.20. Whilst I am making $3, you are making $2.20. So we are all having 10 pips profit, but my pip value, AUD USD pip value is higher than AUD JPY. Do you get the understanding? So with this, it will help you to know in value how much your stop loss is going to be and how much your take profit is also going to be in case you decide what take profit you want to use. All you need to do is put in your lot size, And then you do the calculation. You just click on calculate. It will do the calculation for you. This is the PIP calculator in terms of knowing the value. It's so easy. Let's take AUD chef. Let's say AUD chef. What's going to be the PIP value? Calculate. So AUD chef, 10 pips will give me $3.10 because it's 0.31. So it means if I trade AUD chef and I make 10 pips profit, I'm going to get $3.10. And if you trade AUD USD, 10 pips profit is going to give you just $3. So you will get $3, I'll get $3.10. you get it? So each currency and its value, its pip value. So with this, I am sure it is going to help you know how much your stop loss will be and how much your take profit will also be, because this is helping you to know the value of the pip depending on the lot size that you are using. Choose a different lot size. Let's say you are using 0.20 or 0.10. I think a lot of people like using that. Let me use 0.10 or 0.10. AUD chef, what is the value? So it means AUD chef, with this lot size, every one pip, I am going to make $1.04. $1.04 on AUD chef for one pip. What of AUD card? See, AUD card. AUD card, every one pip is 0.77, so 77 cents. It's not even up to $1. So this will help you to easily know. So if you are going for 50 pip stop loss for AUD card, you just multiply the 50 times 0.77, and that would give you the amount you will lose in case your stop loss of 50 pips should hit. And if you are going for a take profit of 100 pips or 70 pips or 30 pips, you just multiply that take profit by the pip value, and that will tell you how many pips or the profit you will make in case that trade should hit take profit. So simple. It's so simple. So the switch market is making things very easier in terms of knowing how much you will lose or how much you will gain in case your trade should hit stop loss or take profit. So I want you to take advantage of this and make sure that you are able to get things right. Losses are not good, but in case they will come, you should know how much you are losing. And everything here is simple. So the very first thing you will need is the lot size that you want to use. You put that lot size there. You select the currency you want to trade. If it's CAD JPY, you select it. You put in your lot size. The account that you have, which currency is it? You put that there. So CAD JPY with a lot size of 0.10. If the trade should go against me 1 pip, or if it should go into profit 1 pip, how much will it be? So I just calculated, it's 0.73. 0.73 for 1 pip. So if I'm targeting 20 pips, I'll just multiply 20 times 0.73. And that will give me the amount I will make in case my take profit should hit, or in case my stop loss should hit. Please, I'm back. And I can promise you that I'm fully back. I'm sure this alone will answer a lot of questions that were given on the channel. Take advantage of this tool. I'm hoping that I may be able to get time to explain these tools one by one here, all the tools here, so that you will know how to take advantage of them and use them to help your trading. Is that okay? Once again, my name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. I'm back. Expect more videos. Tomorrow is Sunday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So tomorrow, watch out for the analysis, the signals. Yes, we are back again. So we will continue from there. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, if you have any question, please leave it on the channel. Leave the question here for me. I will answer. And also make sure you like the video. That is how you will help to promote this video. Once you like this video, you are telling the YouTube algorithm that the videos are good, so they should show it to more people. So I would really appreciate the likes. Please, the likes. Please like these videos. like our videos. Thank you. God bless you. I will see you again tomorrow, Sunday, for the analysis.